This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Mary Jo Williams. Wow! Bring the horses, or plant your garden, or treat your dogs to their own lure course. This rolling 3 acres is on a paved road and a super spot to build your dream home. Just a short drive to the villages, Lake Weir, the Ocala National Forest, or Grand Oaks Resort. This location is ideal for your home in the country, yet convenient to all the amenities of town. Big box stores, restaurants, fishing, dining, local lakeside entertainment can all be your playground. Fencing on all sides now, the land has been improved and there is no HOA. This is a great central location between the villages and Ocala. Call now for your tour and begin your next adventure. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Jo Williams at 352-516-6736.